Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Kawasaki Concours 14 with ABS. This bike is in fantastic condition, only 5,600 miles, brand new tires, and an amazing sounding Black Series 2 Brothers exhaust system. It has 2-inch bar risers to make your touring even more comfortable. Naturally, it comes with the side cases, color match locking detachable side cases, shaft drive, 1440 cc's, traction control, heated electric grips, electric windscreen. This bike is a tour de force of sport touring technology. Come by, make your sport touring dreams come true for only $10,999. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Check out how this thing sounds. Damn. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.